A revolution is occurring in dealing with winter storms. Liquid anti-icing sprayers are quickly becoming the newest weapon in the arsenal used to fight snow and ice. Although liquids can be used for both anti-icing and de-icing, the biggest advantage is in anti-icing. Liquids can be applied before the storm hits. They can be sprayed as much as a week before a storm. They will sit in the pores of the pavement and go to work when the winter storm arrives. Because the liquid is applied before the storm, it is underneath any new accumulation and will prevent ice from forming a bond with the pavement. If plowing is necessary, the pavement will plow completely clean. Liquids go further on a load. Material is usually applied at 20 to 30 gallons per lane mile. A lane mile will usually convert to about 1.25 acres of parking lot. Liquids go to work faster. Granular materials work best once they have been run over by some tires. Liquids start working right away. Granular materials are often thrown from the road by the tires. Liquids don't have that problem. Liquids will work at far colder temperatures than will salt or other granular materials. Many liquids will work at temperatures even well below zero. There are many chemicals that can be used for anti-icing and de-icing. Magnesium chloride and calcium chloride are ones we hear talked about a lot. Many other choices are available, such as potassium chloride, CMA, blends, salt brine, and even beet juice. The use of liquids is relatively new and rapidly gaining in popularity. We hear rave reviews from those who have started to use liquids. There have been a number of studies to compare this new technology to older methods. One of the best studies was done by the state of Idaho over a 6-year period on Route 12. They compared 3 years of using granular material against 3 years of using liquids. They found a significant reduction in cost of materials, amount of materials, and the time required to apply them. One of the most interesting parts of that study was they also had an 83% reduction in accidents. Details of the study can be seen on the internet. We get a lot of compliments on our design. We often hear the comment that our units are the best designed units on the market. We've put a lot of thought into making a unit that works really well and yet is simple and easy to use. TurboTurf uses oval tanks on the 300 to 1600 gallon units, and on the 50, 100, and 200 gallon units we use a square sprayer tank, elevated and with a sump. All TurboTurf tanks will drain completely. Many other companies use a flat bottom tank, which is cheaper to build. However, with a flat bottom tank, it is impossible to drain the tank, and there will always be 2 to 3 inches of material remaining in the tank. Many other companies use high-pressure pumps that are designed for turf sprayers and are not ideal on an anti-icing sprayer. Our unit uses ACE-coated centrifugal pumps and Banjo polycentrifugal pumps with the gas engine units. The pressures are ideal. They will minimize misting, yet deliver power for the most demanding applications. Our electric-powered units feature better flow than other units on the market. The pump we use comes with a 5-year warranty from the pump manufacturer. They offer ease of use, are whisper quiet, and very reliable. Our 12-volt electric pumps have an output of 9 gallons per minute and will provide sufficient flow for speeds up to 15 miles per hour. Our anti-icing, de-icing sprayers have a frame made of structural steel for long life. They have front fork slots for easy loading and unloading. As an option, frames are available with a galvanized coating. When this option is selected, the frame is completely assembled and then hot-dip galvanized so everything is coated. Even stainless steel frames are not as weather protected because they lose the anti-rust protection at corners where they are welded or bent. Gas-powered units are plumbed to be self-filling. If you have material stored in a storage tank, you only need a hose to fill your unit. An additional pump is not required. Our ice control sprayers are manufactured in sizes from 50 to 1600 gallon. They are available with gas engine power, 12-volt electric power, or hydraulically powered units. They are also available in small pull-type units that are highly maneuverable, or 3-point hitch mounted units for tractor applications. Turret booms set our units apart from others on the market. Turret nozzle that allows the operator to quickly change nozzles just by rotating the nozzle. It takes just seconds to go from a slow-speed application for parking lots to a high-speed nozzle for roads or to a straight nozzle for de-icing. If you wish to close off a nozzle, rotating the nozzle partway shuts off that nozzle. So, for example, if you wanted to just spray the wheel tracks to conserve material, rotating the center 3 nozzles halfway lets you do that in seconds. The working components are shouldered on 3 sides to help protect the nozzles from damage due to rocks being thrown up and to protect them from snow and ice buildup. The nozzles also have built-in check valves that stop the flow at once when the valve is closed. The boom slides into a standard truck receiver, and the height is easily adjustable to match your hitch height. Our boom can also be equipped with extender nozzles to provide coverage of 3 lanes in one pass. Sections can be individually controlled from the cab. Hose drills are a popular option for arch sprayers. They allow the operator to do sidewalks, steps, and even the areas between parked cars that are difficult to do any other way. Hose drills are available in manual, electric, spring rewind, and even an economy hose package with side-mounted hooks is available at a very affordable price. There are many other options available. They include wireless in-cab controllers that eliminate the need to run wires to the truck, and a GPS controller that will automatically adjust the flow as the vehicle speed changes. Also has conversion kits available to convert a hydroseeding system to an ice control sprayer, which allows owners to use their hydroseeding unit year-round. No one offers a better anti-icing system. They are reliable, convenient, and loaded with features. The quality of construction is outstanding, and the performance is unmatched.